Today I want to tell violence against women. The theme of this Rangoli is Stop Violence Against Women.
जैसा कि आप सब देख सकते हैं हमारा थीम रामायण पर बेस्ड है, जिसमें राम जी रावण का वध कर रहे हैं। यह दर्शाता है कि हमेशा असत्य पर सत्य की जीत होती है, अधर्म पर धर्म की जीत होती है और बुराई पर अच्छाई की जीत होती है। और हम सभी को इस कथा से सीख लेनी चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
वनवास करके राम जी ने रावण का वध किया था, तो हम लोग इस चीज़ को दिवाली को एज एन और सिर्फ पटाखे या स्वीट्स के लिए नहीं जानते हैं, हम सिर्फ इसलिए जानते हैं कि एक अच्छाई ने बुराई को हराया था और उनका जो 14 साल का वनवास था उसी के वजह से आज हम लोगों को ये सब सीखने को मिलता है। बहुत सी बातें हम लोगों को सीखने को मिलती हैं। सो आज वैसे भी धनतेरस है, तो हैप्पी धनतेरस टू ऑल एंड हैप्पी दिवाली इन एडवांस।
It shows the 5 elements of nature and which he had on his head. The each elements have the importance and the valuable meanings, like water, and each elements are equally important for our earth and life of every.
Jersey in which they wore the pink color t-shirt to describe about the fight against the breast cancer awareness, as they wear this type of jersey in their playground, which also describes about the social fight against like social awareness that today is the most widespread. Also it shows the women empowerment against the disease, that we can, of course we can fight against the disease and we can achieve the goal to like we breast cancer, like it is the most commonly spread disease against the disease, and also we
cancer disease causing in Indian women's, which is a very because meaning with the due to the breast cancer, and this is a very serious problem, and we have to because women are half of the population. If they will not be cured, or if they will not
ये दिवाली पे जो इन्होंने बनाया मुझे बहुत पसंद आया, और मेरी बेटी ने भी बनाया था, वो भी बहुत मुझे पसंद, बहुत ज़्यादा मूवमेंट कर रहे हैं। और यहाँ से मैं यहाँ मतलब बहुत खुश हूँ, और इन्होंने कला बहुत अच्छा यहाँ से बनाया।
ओके थैंक यू। अपना ओपिनियन
सर बहुत अच्छा बना हुआ है, तो बहुत ही अच्छा है। बच्चे जो भी परफॉर्मेंस किए बहुत अच्छा किए हैं। हमारा बनाए हैं हमारी बेटी इसी स्कूल में पढ़ती है, फर्स्ट में है, आशी पांडे, वो भी बनाई है।
इस कार्यक्रम के बारे में ही देखने के लिए यहाँ पर आए हैं। बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड।
हैप्पी दिवाली।
हैप्पी दिवाली। Light in our home is known as a Atlas lamp. जलाओ दिए इतना ध्यान नहीं, अंधेरा पर keep lamp remain somewhere. The Diwali celebrating for the Ram. Happy Diwali celebrating because the Ram Ji country is home. wear new clothes, taking sweets, and many. वापस लौट के आए थे तो लोगों ने खुशी में दिए जला के दीपावली मनाने लगे। शुभ दिवाली।
Diwali is a festival of light we celebrate because our Lord Ram came from Sri Lanka to India to victory over the Ravan. Thank you.
Made on the theme of Digital India 15 in India is to government to initiate transform to India digitally unlocked and to empower digital and to perform many functions like its goals to initiate the online infrastructure and its main goals to perform many functions and key initiatives like and many other things and the faceless, endless and cashless to governments. Thank you.
India was launched by PM to digitalize our India and make it first in our world and help many people to digitalize our country and increase our economy.
To save the environment and to save the natural resources because everybody is using colorful things but that is made up of chemicals and here we are using the natural resources and we are making the rangoli. So
rangoli of this our school campus and we have used here flowers, petals and leaves of mango tree which will not harm our environment and in other classes they are using colors. I think that the environment friendly and our theme of the theme of this rangoli is peacock to spread peace and know the beauty of the nature.
India can be united despite having all the diversity in their culture, tradition and wildlife. Our Rangoli emphasizes on the idea of being together in harmony with respecting all the culture, tradition and religion of the country.
Time of Diwali, these types of activities are taking place in our country. So we have chosen this theme to aware people about black magic and do not follow this black magic.
Diwali itself, when Lord Rama came Ayodhya after 14 years of Vanvas, that's why Diwali is celebrated and that's the reason we had represented the to justify the ideology of Diwali. Thank you, sir.
Pollution plays a vital role in global warming as well as contributing to human man-made disasters. So it is our responsibility to act as concerned citizens to save our environment from any further rescue.
Occasion of upcoming Diwali, first of all I would like to wish you happy Diwali. Here we make a rangoli to represent the women empowerment.
आज के इस दिन पे हमने सभी मिलकर रंगोली को दर्शाया आज के मुख्य पर्व धनतेरस के आधार पर. थैंक यू.
Myself Ujjwal Giri from class 9th A. We promote the traditional music instead of modern music. Thank you.
Glad that in every year our school organize the Rangoli competition. So today I had the made Rangoli with
in making the Rangoli on the theme of the the unity in diversity, which is very important because it promotes the national unity and peace, and when the group of the peoples are unite together, that help in the country's development. Thank you.
कौन सा क्लास है? 98. ये कौन बनाया? आओ ना पास.
जो बनाए बेटे सब लोग अपने अपने रंगोली के पास आ जाओ.
जज हम दोनों जज नहीं.
This is making a rangoli on a theme based Operation Sindoor. Operation Sindoor is a response to Pahalgam terror attack. In this attack was held on 22 April. In this attack 26 people were killed. So Indian government decided to launch a operation called Operation Sindoor. Thank you.
The Operation Sindoor was launched on 7 May to take revenge from Pakistan.
Morning everyone, this is our Rangoli on topic of Save Wildlife. Our team members names are Riya, Adiba, Anshika, Neetu, Varsha, Srijal, Divyanshi Chaudhary, Divyanshi Sharma, Prapti, Hetvi and Ariba. Our topic is Save Wildlife because wildlife refers to the living organism that lives in an area without an interference of human beings. And in recent years they are going in the way of they are decreasing day by day. So this is our way to encourage people to save wildlife. Thank you.
Purity and divinity. Purity and divinity.
Today we are celebrating Dhanteras. It is the most beautiful festival that marks before the beginning of Deepavali. It is the day of light, wealth and fortune.
Our Krishna themed Rangoli reminds us that true wealth is not only gold and silver but love, faith and kindness.
Just Lord Krishna spread joy and positivity. May this festival bring happiness to everyone. Thank you. Happy Diwali to everyone.
Many cases in India where girls are abused or raped by men, and we can stop this. For I will.
Basically, we all know that Rangoli is a traditional form, and we just represent our ideas and things by it. And there are different patterns which symbolize different things. For example, symbolize goodwill and prosperity, and it also represents beauty.
Symbolizes prosperity and health, and purity and vibrancy of the universe.
We make Rangoli.
made Rangoli of the theme of India.
On Indian culture, and in this the dancing women represent the Indian folk dance. This Veera represent the Indian folk music. This lotus is our national symbol, and this duck swan representing the peace, and the book and education, imagination and freedom. So this whole drawing is all about Indian culture, and we have made it fully about imagination and
in this Diwali make happy to all, and in Diwali we make the Rangoli and festival of light.
In this Diwali full of joy and happiness. Thank you.